heat source that we have taken in the 1.6.
Heat source that was applicable, not applicable.
Because no, why I'm saying that? Because we have taken 1.6. We can no this part in 1.6. So let us keep it.
Okay.
This
Report
one.
onwards.
We have taken one recommendation. This is only recommendation. So let us keep it.
We'll put onwards. Okay.
Yeah. Exhaust from
fumes are equal to 1.9.
190.6. Right?
Yeah.
Benzene not
SO2
applicable. I think this is the same SO2, H2S.
No.
Remove it.
No. Remove. H2S is SO2 will not come there. There is no flare nearby.
Yeah. And benzene not applicable.
Benzene not applicable. There is no painting, nothing like painting or anything is there.
Welding fume not applicable.
Not applicable. Tobacco.
CFC, ammonia is not applicable, right?
Ammonia, no.
So liquid,
I don't
mercury, PCB,
not applicable.
is not applicable.
Dioxide, no, methanol, no. Okay. Yeah, detergents and other things are not applicable.
No. Isocyanide, sulfur, amine, coal inhibitors.
No.
Scale, this one, this.
No.
Not applicable. Toxic solid,
no.
asbestos, no. Cement, we have put, no, we have removed it. So, powered mud, this board.
Are you doing any sandblasting or anything?
No welding, so oil based, this one, oil based mud, water based, cement, slurry. Cement slurry will be there, but it's no additional concern. This is no additional concern.
Yeah, just cement slurry.
Because they are going to use the wet cement. So dust we have removed. So
no, dust will be there because the side
dust. Yeah. This
is construction dust will be there, right? When you go into that, you will recommend moving here and there. So
road vehicle movement.
And then so it is there, natural dust.
Yeah.
Soil dust, what you call it.
No,
there will be threads, right? Or cause.
Vehicle movement.
Vehicle movement is cause. That's what is the natural soil.
Soil, huh? Sand dust. Sand.
Yeah, natural soil. Sand and soil.
Dust. That is what? Vehicle movement. So payment is dust generation. Consequence, potential exposure. Dust exposure. Right. Maybe I will put 3. May put 3 and C, right?
Yeah.
So what you have? You have dust suppression. You are going to put dust suppression system.
You are putting the water or something.
Dust suppression. And
yeah, but normally you are putting it won't be like continuous
warning signboard. Probably you put the warning signboards.
We are doing 3.
Yeah, and second thing, the vehicle speed limit. Not driving at high speed.
Speed limit. And warning signboards will also help you. PP will help you, right?
PP only if you have mask or something, they will help. Otherwise,
mask you are going to put, no? Dust mask.
Dust will come in the preventive approach.
Preventive mitigating.
Preventive. Okay.
Because I'm saying dust is already generated now. Should go in the preventive, mitigating. So first aid.
Be routine checkup.
Routine
medical checkup.
Pickup, correct?
Yeah.
This is 3B. This. Okay, cadmium, no. Sulfur, oil-based sludge, no. Corrosive substance. Hydrofluoric, not applicable. This is not applicable.
No.
Sulfuric acid, not applicable. Caustic not applicable. Biological. You have snack and all these things? Yeah, I think snack we have to put up.
Snack will be there, but will cover in the weight, no?
Yeah, you will cover in the weight.
Refer weight.
Poisonous plant. Refer weight?
Refer weight.
No specific issue for plant.
No, refer to weight. We'll do in the weight also.